It's our goal to make sure that you have information about the projects happening right in your backyard. As work continues on the Oak Ridge Reservation, we're committed to keeping you updated. One of the ways we do that is by holding public information sessions. And we just finished up a productive conversation with our community. Take a look.
We just overall want the community to feel like they're safe, they're well informed, and that they can have like a one-on-one interaction with the people that work at our companies.
The 2-hour event held at the Scarborough Community Center featured large poster boards showing graphics and photos. Leaders from DOE and contractor UCOR were all on hand to share information about the missions and ongoing projects. Much of the information focused on soil cleanup and groundwater remediation at the East Tennessee Technology Park, demolition progress at Oak Ridge National Laboratory, and deactivation and infrastructure projects at the Y-12 National Security Complex.
You can also keep an eye out for public info sessions in the calendar section on our website. Head on over to energy.gov/OREM.